Hello, today we are talking about the distributive property. When using the distributive property, we are multiplying each term inside the parentheses with the term on the outside of the parentheses. You may have to remember integer rules, and there might be some weird problems, stranger problems that you have to figure out, but it is a fairly simple thing. It's just multiplication. So let's understand all the pieces first. This is a simple multiplication problem. It says 8 times 5. The 8's on the outside of the parentheses, 5's on the inside. Since that just means to multiply, we know the answer is 40. But what if that 5 was split up into 2 plus 3? So now it's 8 parentheses 2 plus 3. Well, we should know that 2 plus 3 is still 5. So the answer should still be 40. But we can distribute in this situation. We take the 8 on the outside, multiply it by the two things on the inside. So we do 8 times 2 and 8 times 3. Well, that's going to be 16 plus 24. So that answer is still 40. Now, why would I use this? Why would this be important? Because I could add 2 plus 3 first. Well, the quick answer is variables. Look at this problem. Look at this problem. They have variables in them. Inside the parentheses, you don't know what x is to minus 4 from it. Therefore, you can't figure that out. Over here on the right side, y plus 6. You don't know what y is, so you can't add 6 to it yet. So, let's look at these examples. In this problem, 3 times x minus 4. 3 is on the outside, an x and a minus 4 is on the inside. Well, go ahead and distribute 3 times each thing. 3 times x is 3x. Pretend the minus 4 is a negative 4. So 3 times negative 4, you get 3 times 4 is 12. One negative sign, the answer is negative 12, and I write 3x minus 12. On this problem, the number on the outside is the negative 2. Notice they both have parentheses on it, but the negative 2 is by itself next to the other parenthesis, therefore you are distributing it. Multiply each thing by negative 2. Negative 2 times y is negative 2y. Negative 2 times a positive 6 is a negative 12. Now, I cannot make these any more simplified. Both of those answers would be as far as I could go. What if you have 3 or more terms? Well, it's the same process, except the number on the outside is now distributed to everything on the inside, every single thing. So you take the negative 6, multiply it by the 1, by the x, and by the y. We get negative 6 minus 6x minus 6y. That's the lesson for the day. Thanks as always for using Seyer Mathematics.